Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working. So for that, first of all, you have to restart WhatsApp. Swipe up from the bottom and then swipe WhatsApp away. After that, reopen WhatsApp again. Also check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can also enable and disable airplane mode to refresh your network. Also restart your phone. Sometimes the issue is temporary, so restart your device and then try again. Now open up settings, scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside app, search for WhatsApp and then tap onto it. Then inside here, make sure WhatsApp has access to your camera, microphone, stories, contacts, and if they are turned off, you have to turn them on. Also head back to your home screen, open up the App Store, and in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen, open up a browser, and then in the search bar, search for down detector. Sometimes WhatsApp servers are down for everyone. So inside here, check if a WhatsApp server is down. If it is down, just wait, it will be fixed automatically. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix your WhatsApp. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's it. Your YouTube playback speed should now be working again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.